Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play new Clash of Clans updates. First, you need to thoroughly review the official patch notes to grasp all the core changes. Pay close attention to any new troops, spells, defenses, or hero abilities that have been introduced. Understanding these fundamental shifts is crucial for adapting your gameplay. This initial analysis will form the bedrock of your new strategies, helping you identify what has been buffed, nerfed, or completely overhauled. Once you have a grasp of the changes, it's time to experiment. Utilize friendly challenges extensively to test new troop and spell combinations without risking your resources. Try out different attack strategies against a variety of base layouts to see what works best. Pay close attention to how new defensive structures or hero abilities interact with your existing or newly formed armies. This hands-on practice is essential for refining your approach. Resource management becomes even more critical after an update. Identify which new or buffed units and defenses offer the most significant strategic advantage and prioritize their upgrades. Efficiently farm resources like gold, elixir, and dark elixir to minimize downtime. Focus on upgrades that directly enhance your primary attack or defense strategies, ensuring you gain a competitive edge as quickly as possible. Smart resource allocation is key to rapid adaptation. Finally, stay engaged with the Clash of Clans community. Watch videos from professional players and content creators who often break down new strategies and meta shifts. Discuss your findings and ideas with clanmates, sharing successful attack replays and defensive layouts. The meta will constantly evolve, so be prepared to adapt your gameplay based on what the top players are doing. Continuous learning and adaptation are the only way to stay competitive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.